ki khubor ka bate si TV rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khan reus nam ya ga jing shakri ga jongka baden ais ngo bha sha baro kinong thi thuk thuk ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali gi laptop kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8000 pusau
President Jangka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala haka arpu tarik unai lor arajar arpusau. Ula ong ba wat lagi MLA kibala job naga tiket jangka seng Congress kila Phet no henrei ma shimet unam Pyndem wat lada ki pat ba ki e no ya ka party ne wat lada ulamat ya ka jing sya rem haka election. Haka jing ekren bat kilat pathai khubor ba Pala ula ong baka jing Phet jangki MLA naga party Congress kalong baki yo i baka Congress ka basyong haka liang persya kamla satya ban ajing mentoy AA yaki bar haka jo ka por ula ong bakum ka party kam trei tang ban pen mentoy yaki kam shimet jongno re jongno nrei naga benta ka jing mentoy jongki pat ba nong shong shnong ka jilla.
Well, I cannot judge myself for myself by myself. I think the history will see. But only thing I can promise you, I don't surrender. Many of the I've seen in he will witness in Arunachal when they lost, they resigned. The party totally collapsed. But I don't surrender. Whether the people leave or not, whether I lost or not, I will not surrender. I work for the party. There's no denying the fact so many MLAs left. And there's no denying the fact that so many of them wants to come back as on today. So I think Baroni witness, all of us witness, we don't want to tell their names. See, they left the Congress. Example, I'll give you example. 12 MLAs left the Congress and joined TMC. Tell me how many of them remain in the TMC and join UDP, join NPP, join other party. So why should they reflect on me? In the Congress when they left, they said because of Pala. But when they left the TMC, because of what? Because of whom? At the same time, 5 of them left the Congress. They said, they may say because of Pala, but some of them joined the other party, rejoined our party. Example, one MLA joined 3 parties in a year. So whom they will blame? So it is, I think it's not proper for them. I think the only thing is that Congress in opposition, they think that they will not serve the personal interest. So we are here not to serve the personal interest. We are here to work. Like I told you, our intention is to work for the interest of the people, not our personal interest. All of us, at one point or the other, we might have got, the offer, we might have got the temptations that come and join us, we'll help these, we will give you jobs, we will give you roads, but we think that, if we lost our ideology, if we lost our ethics, we lost everything in politics. So same thing, all these people, today they are with TMC, tomorrow with the UDP, day after with the BJP. What have with them? Nothing left with them. This is what we think. Well, I cannot judge myself for myself by myself. I think the history will see. But only thing I can promise you, I don't surrender. Many of the I've seen in he will witness in Arunachal when they lost, they resigned. The party totally collapsed. But I don't surrender. Whether the people leave or not, whether I lost or not, I will not surrender. I work for the party. As on today, you see, most of the workers are with the Congress and with me. So I don't surrender. It's not that I want to be a president. In charge is here. I told him in Delhi, you asked him, I told him when I lost, I thought I should get up. He said, no, nothing doing, you have done well. We had to sit in Meghalaya, we lost one, we managed to win one. So all the in charge, all the in Delhi, they rather congratulated me. We got the seats from NPP after 47 years. So, and we didn't, when I lost also, it is not unceremoniously. We won, I think, if you see entire Meghalaya, we got the highest in terms of vote share. So how can you say that I'm the most unpopular? So I cannot judge myself for myself, but I still consider that I try to work honestly, I try to work hard without selling myself, without, surrendering to the rich, famous and very powerful people.
I will step in here on the organization questions. You will see the Congress with a lot of faces who are active, passionate, and to be serving the people of Meghalaya in the coming days ahead. And despite all what your questions on the MDC and the local handling of it, from a larger perspective, what I can tell you is that we will have, or we intend and we believe that we will have a significant presence in the MDC elections here on fighting for the people of Meghalaya. Because as what he has said, all our decisions on many of the political matters are keeping the people of Meghalaya's interest in the forefront. We have differing views on the subject, and that is what, we are not running away from our internal discussions or internal meetings on the matter, and the matter is being discussed heavily internally, and appropriate decisions will be made. But the interest of the people of Meghalaya will be at the forefront while making the decisions, and we will perform extremely and exceptionally well in the MDC elections in come February 2025.
See, I think you are wrong that Congress is working together with MC. The mandate given by the people to sit in the opposition, whether one party, two parties, three parties, for the interests of the people of Meghalaya, we have to take certain issues. It's not that, like I say, we can agree or disagree with the issues, but certain things as an opposition you have to perform, you have to have it together. Whatever we think that it fits and proper for the people of Meghalaya, we should take it together. It's not that we are working together.
Mapala, you mentioned
For the Kamdigri election, we will have our own candidate, TMC their own candidate, BJP, NPP, they may have their own candidate, but we have no understanding for the Kamdigri elections, we'll have our own candidate. That will be, I think, after now, the elections not yet announced, so let us see how it will be. Normally, the by-elections, the government machineries will misuse their power, and definitely that is a sign that they are ready to misuse their power. They already done it.